हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू ऑल गुड। और कैसी चल रही है पढ़ाई? बहुत अच्छी, वेरी गुड। और अच्छी चलती रहनी चाहिए। सो हमेशा कनेक्ट रहेंगे स्टडी के साथ। तो आज हमारा टॉपिक करने वाले हैं हम डिटर्मिनर्स। So this is our topic. You have already read that determiners are used with countable and uncountable nouns to limit their meaning. They are special kinds of adjective. So determiners किस लिए use होते हैं? काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स को लिमिट देयर मीनिंग के लिए, और स्पेशल काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स भी हम यहाँ पर पढ़ेंगे. सो काइंड्स ऑफ डिटर्मिनर्स. There are several kinds of determiners. These are demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those. Possessive adjective के लिए my, our, your, his, hers, theirs, its adjective है ना ये. Okay. So next is adjective of quantity और number के लिए much, many, some, all, any, few, both, each, every, either, neither, little, a little, a few, first, second, one, five, etc. Article a, an और the के बेस पर. So correct use of determiners के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Let's read correct use of determiners. Much और many. So पहला हमारा स्टार्ट हो रहा है much और many को लेकर. So much is an adjective of quantity. So it is used to show quantity. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Example, there is much petrol in the underground tank. We showed much patience. There isn't much food left. Many is an adjective of number, so it is used to show number. Many is used with countable nouns. Example, many students have passed their examination. Many people are aware of it. I have many friends. Next is few, a few, the few. कहाँ पर यूज करेंगे बच्चे? एग्जाम्पल्स में देखते हैं. few मीन्स क्या होता है? not many. It conveys a negative sense. Example, I have read few books. Few people in India are rich. Few people are free from faults. तो नेगेटिव सेंस में इसको यूज करते हैं. A few मीन्स क्या होता है? some. It has पॉजिटिव मीनिंग होता है. ठीक है. few का मीन्स नेगेटिव में आता है और a few का मीन्स हम पॉजिटिव मीनिंग में यूज करते हैं. There are still a few rupees left. She spoke a few words. I have read a few books on this subject. The few means the total, though very few. Example, the few friends she has all very rich. Vishal had read the few books he had. Next, a little, the little. Little, a little and the little are adjective of quantity को show करते हैं बच्चे. Little means क्या होता है? Not much. Little means not much, means hardly any. It has negative meaning. There is a little hope of his recovery. I have little influence on my followers. A little means some at least, certain quantity के लिए. However, little के लिए इसको use करते हैं. A little को, it is a affirmative adjective है ये. I gave him a little sugar. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. I know a little French and German. नेक्स्ट इज है द लिटिल मीन्स क्या होता है? टोटल क्वांटिटी, दो वेरी लिटिल. एग्जाम्पल, द लिटिल इंफॉर्मेशन ही हैड वॉज नॉट सफिशियंट. रादर स्पेंड द लिटिल मनी शी हैड. नेक्स्ट वन इज है हमारा सम और एनी को लेकर. सम इज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस क्वांटिटी और डिग्री इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव सम मनी इन माई पर्स. देयर आर सम लेटर्स फॉर हिम इन द बैग. प्रिया बॉट सम मिल्क. एनी का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चे? नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में इसको यूज किया जाता है एनी को. जैसे आई डिड नॉट परचेज एनी बुक. डू यू हैव एनी मनी विद यू? नेक्स्ट इज ईच, एवरी, ईदर, नीदर. Each, every, either, neither are distributive adjective. They often take nouns, pronouns and verbs in the singular में. ठीक है, singular में use करते हैं इसको. Each is used for two or more things के लिए when you are talking about them separately. दो चीज़ों के लिए, लेकिन सेपरेटली यूज करना है और सेपरेटली बात करना चाह रहे हो या उसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं, देन यू यूज ईच. ईच ऑफ द बॉयज हैड अ बैग. ईच मूवी हैज एन एक्साइटिंग स्टोरी टू टेल. Every is always used for more than two. Example, every one of these question is difficult. Every 5 minutes, every berth was covered. Either has two meanings, one or the other, both. Example, I don't eat meat and he doesn't either. There were people on either side of the road. Neither means neither the one nor the other. It is the negative of either. Example, neither pen is of any use. Neither of the two statement is true. Next is बच्चे elder, eldest, older, oldest. Elder and eldest are used only with persons. They refer the position of one member of a family with reference to another or other of the same family. Elder does not take then after it. Example, my elder brother या elder sister is a teacher. Varun is their elder brother. Sachin is the elder son of the family. Older and oldest are the used for both persons and things. Oldest refers to the greatest age. This apple tree is older than that guava tree. This is the oldest hospital in the town. Suresh is the oldest boy in the class. Ajay is older than Sohan in our cricket team. Next है बच्चे each, other, one another. How can you use in the sentences each other, one another? The two girls hate each other. The two brothers love each other. One another is used for more than two persons and things. Example, children played with one another. The four brothers never loved one another. Less and fewer. Less denotes only quantity. Example, he does not sell less than 10 kilograms of flour. Next is less, fewer. Few denotes only number. Example, no fewer than 30 soldiers died in the war. नेक्स्ट बच्चे आर्टिकल से रिलेटेड पढ़ने वाले हैं हम. आर्टिकल हमारे हैं a and n. A and n are indefinite articles. We use a before words that begins with a consonant sound and n before words that begin with a vowel sound. A and n are used with singular countable nouns के साथ ही यूज करते हैं बच्चे. For example, Radha is reading a newspaper. Rajan is eating an apple. We can use adjectives between the articles and the nouns. For example, it is a beautiful picture. She is reading an interesting novel. Plural nouns can be used without an article. जैसे this is a crow. Crows are bird. This is a lion. Lions are animals. This is an ice cream. Children like to eat ice cream. Next हमारा है the. The is called the definite article. We use the to refer definite things and people. For example, he asked for all the new clothes. One has to be careful on the road. That is the best book I have ever read. तो आपने देखा डेफिनेट आर्टिकल, इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल हमने किस तरह से आर्टिकल को डिवाइड करके और एग्जांपल्स के साथ किया है. रीड आउट करते बच्चे एक्स्ट्रा फैक्ट को भी. डिटर्मिनर्स आर वर्ड्स दैट स्पेसिफाई और सिग्निफाई अ नाउन. Eldest means the firstborn. We do not use a or an before an uncountable noun. We don't use the with the names of people or streets or places. ठीक है, तो आपको ध्यान रखना है बच्चे, द कहाँ पर यूज नहीं करना या अ और एन का यूज हम कहाँ पर करना है और किस जगह पर हम नहीं करेंगे. तो इसको भी अच्छे से देखेंगे, एक्स्ट्रा फैक्ट्स के साथ रिवीजन करेंगे और स्टडी करेंगे अच्छे से पूरे चैप्टर की थोरोली. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग बच्चों.